Well, only a couple days to go till the retreat. It's hard at work here, as you can see. I'm cutting some wood, fixing up, painted the front of the steps there. It's all looking good. And I was in the garage and I found this. Let me just upside down here, show you guys. This is the first painting I did. I think it was a couple years ago now. The only painting I've ever done. So it's, yeah, you know, it is what it is. But it's kind of cool. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And it's really interesting because I hadn't really taken on the full effects and the power of my healing journey when I did this, but it's actually, it's me here. Can you see that? That's me there. I don't even know if you can see it right here. That's me on the beach. And I'm just sending out love and light to the world. And now it's coming to fruition, you know, starting retreats and online courses and groups that I'm going to put together, that we just get together and meditate and really open our hearts and send that electromagnetic field into the universe. And that's basically what Project Coherence is. If anyone knows about Project Coherence, it's quite a big thing that Dr. Joe Dispenza puts on. And, oh, look at the crow. I don't know what he's... That's awesome. I don't know if it's a baby. See how close it'll let me get. Hey, buddy. You are a young one. A little bee by me too. This is the synchronicities when you really start connecting with nature. You do start to notice a lot more cool experiences. I love crows. This is a first. This is a young one that's coming pretty close here. Do you like the garden that we cleaned out last night? Yeah? Dude, if this comes to me, I'm gonna blow my mind again. 2 days in a row. Yesterday was the hummingbird practically landing on my head. Hello. I won't make you guys watch all this. I love it. I love it. I did ask for messages from the divine during my morning meditation. Messages from the divine. Peace and love. I'm gonna keep watching, but y'all don't have to. Adios.